They've got 20 seconds left for their final preparations. Looks like they're about ready to go. Their robot is off. It's unfolding its picking arms. Looks like it's having some difficulty getting aligned on the row. It's a slight human intervention there to get it lined up and going. Now it's off to the races. See a blue disease ball knocked off appropriately. Oh, there was one that stuck on. Uh-oh. Guess they really wanted to get that diseased apple off that one. So now it's lined up. They've got 4 minutes left. So they're doing well with picking the red ripe apples, and I see the diseased apples on the board, so that's good. If anything, I think the robot's been struggling to get lined up on the first approach into the row, but it's correcting itself now with multiple approaches. So they're at just under 2 minutes, so they'll certainly make it through the course in time. A little assistance there to get it lined up on the row. Another diseased apple knocked off successfully. And final spin to drop off the diseased apples. So they ran at 2 minutes and 21 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds total run time. 2 minutes and 15 seconds for the University of Florida.